Good morning children. Now I am going to teach you 5th class social. So already we have completed the second lesson, parallels and meridians. So today we are going to take the bit cells. Okay children, open your textbook and look at your textbooks. Textbook bits, page number 193. So these are some important imaginary lines. So what are they? Write them. So do by your own. There are some lines on it. Fill in the blanks, missing letters to complete their names. So, some important imaginary lines. What are the imaginary lines? Some important imaginary lines. Write them, complete it. So, do by your own. Next, turn the page. Page number 194. The east-west lines drawn on a globe are called parallels. So, true. A parallels are of the same length. All parallels are of same length. The length of the parallel decreases. The distance of parallel is same, but the length of the parallel decreases when we move away from the equator towards the poles. So, that is a false. The North Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. So, the North Pole lies in the northern hemisphere and the South Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. So, the statement is false. Okay, I will write on the board. First one, true. Second one, false. Third one, false. The Tropic of Cancer lies in the northern hemisphere. Yes, it is true. The statement is true. Next, turn the page and we will go for the next bit. Read and answer. Page number 196. Page number 196. Tick the correct answer. The true end points of the Earth axis are called. Earth axis is called poles. North pole and South pole. A bit. First one is C. Second one. The part of the earth above the equator is called the North Pole, South Pole, Southern Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere. So, Northern Hemisphere. The equator divides the earth into two half hemispheres. That is a Northern Hemisphere. The part of the earth which is above the equator is the Northern Hemisphere and below the equator is known as the Southern Hemisphere. So, right answer is D. Next, third one. If parallels are drawn at intervals of 1 degree, there will be how many parallels? 90 parallels. 90 parallels. One 81 parallels. Fourth one. The prime meridian passes through a place called Greenwich. So the prime meridian passes at the place of Greenwich, which is nearby London. To locate a place on a globe, we must know its latitudes and the longitude both. So when the latitudes and longitudes cross each other, so the crossing section of each line is known as is used to indicate the location of the place. The crossing section of both the parallels and so the crossing section of the both parallels and the longitudes can locate the place. So next one is latitudes and the longitudes. Fifth one is C. So we need the both degrees, latitudes and the longitudes. Next, we will go for the next bit. B bit. Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer towards the north, it is known as a 23 half degree N. Tropic of Capricorn towards the south, so it also has the same degree, that is 23.5 degree towards the south. So look at children, look at your textbook. Here they have given the series. To complete the series, you have to complete the series, fill the blank. So fill this blank. Be written. First one. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree. So Tropic of Cancer towards the north and Tropic of Capricorn towards the south. So the degrees are same, common in the northern hemisphere, and it is very common in the southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree. So Capricorn lies towards the south, so you have to write the south. Equator dash prime meridian longitude. Equator is what? Latitude. Equator is latitude. So prime meridian, it is a long line which runs from pole to pole. So equator are the parallel lines. Equator, it comes under the parallel line. So equator, latitude. So equator, latitude. Dash longitudes parallels latitudes. Meridians are also known as longitudes. So meridians, longitudes, parallels are known as latitudes. So meridians, longitudes. Meridians, longitudes. Fourth. North pole 90 degree and dash is known as 90 degree S. Which pole is known as 90 degree S? South pole. South pole 90 degree S. South pole 90 degree S. Dash 66.5 degree towards the north. So Antarctic circle 66.5 degree towards the south. So Arctic circle 66.5 degree north. Arctic circle. Arctic circle. Okay, now children. So tomorrow we will write the question answers. Today we go for the hard words. Open your class books and write down the hard words. Okay, children. So textbooks bits have completed. Now we will go for the hard words. Parallels and meridians. Hard words. Okay, now children, start writing the hard words. Open your class book. Axis. Axis. North pole. South pole. Parallels. Latitudes. Equator. Northern hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere. Northern Hemisphere. Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Meridians. Longitudes. Grid. Greenwich. Prime Meridian. Okay, now children. So these are the hard words. Once again, we'll read the hard words. Axis. The earth spins on its axis. It indicates the north and the south pole. North pole, which is towards the north, and south pole, which is towards the south. Parallels. There are lines that run across from the east to west. The lines which run from east to west. Parallels, they do not meet each other. The set of circles are drawn on the earth's surface. Parallels are also known as latitudes. Equator. Equator is a line which divides the earth into two equal half parts. Northern Hemisphere. Above the equator, the part of the earth which is above the equator is known as the northern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, the part of equator, the line of the equator below the equator, the part of the earth below the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle, the zone area, the cool zone area. Antarctic Circle, meridians. The long lines which runs from north to south are known as meridians. Meridians are also known as longitudes. So the parallels, when the meridians cut the parallels, they meet at one place. So they meet and they form a 90 degrees angle. So where they meet, so that is known as a grid. It makes a grid. Greenwich, it is the center of the meridians. So it is also known as a prime meridian, the place where the center of the longitudes, the center point of the longitudes is known as Greenwich. The line which is the center of the longitude is known as a prime meridian. So it is given as a 0 degree, same as the equator. Same as the equator. Okay, now children, homework, learn and write the hard words 3 times. Learn and write the hard words. Okay, now children.